What's going on in here? Hi.
Hi, just doing a bit of maintenance on the boat. We've had a bit of leaking coming through this joint here. There's a silicone joint here, and it leaks down onto the window at the front. So we want to try and stop that because this probably hasn't been silicone since it was first made. So this is one that I've actually done already. So we have to mask this up, and then we need to fill it, and then we need to take the masking tape off.
So what do you need to do that for?
This is to stop the silicone from getting all over the rest of the paintwork on the boat. So I just mask this up really carefully because this is the edge of where I want the silicone to be. I just do this bit by bit. Both sides of the silicone. Just like that.
Nice.
And now we're just going to pull up the tape to finish it.
It's good.
There we go. Perfect finish.
Okay. Stay. Good boy. Done. It's a really nice afternoon, so we're just taking a little ride around the bay.
Oh, do you see the jumping fish?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video about how to fix your leaky boat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.